Hello everyone, I'm Casey from Courriel Machinery. The Chinese #1 matchmaking machine manufacturer in China since 1999. And this is our barbed wire machine CS8 type. The wires feed from 4 spools. Each spool loads 1 ton wires. The main wire diameter is 1.4 to 3 millimeter. The barbed wire diameter is 1.4 to 2.8 millimeter. The main wires go into the thread roller to avoid snail, and the barbed wires go into the machine from both sides. And this is the control panel. The machine is very easy to handle. And this part is the weaving part. The cutter is made of white steel. It is to cut the barbed wires, and the twisted head is to twist the barbed wire onto the main wire. And the barbed wire space can be 3 inch, 4 inch, 12 inch, 6 inch. The barbed wire space can be adjusted easily on this round plate. This is the steel cover for safety purpose, and this part is the finished barbed wire winding up device. It can load the finished wire about 50 kilograms. The finished barbed wires are widely used in many fields such as national defense, agriculture, animal husbandry, and so on. Our machine is popular and cheap. If you have any interest, please contact us.